Are you missing out? Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session. 3 cases. First case is cause number 25 CCCR 1368. Case is Styles of State of Texas versus Damian Richard Knighton. Mr. Knighton, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Knighton, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Knighton, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Knighton, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Knighton?
Good, how about you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Knighton, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Marvel Provo. Attorney Provo, do you waive a record in Mr. Knighton's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Mr. Knighton, I have before me a document on my computer that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, Mr. Knighton, it alleges that you, Damian Richard Knighton, on or about April 6th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass. Mr. Knighton, you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No contest.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Knighton, I also have before me on my computer a document that's titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on the line next to the box that's check nolo contendere. The box that's checked states that you're pleading nolo contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
On the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a
Yes,
plea
sir.
bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Sir.
Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have a document that's titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Knighton, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney, Ms. Provo, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand everything that Ms. Provo went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? And Mr. Knighton, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State offers State's Exhibit 1.
No objection.
No objection. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Ms. Provo, you've advised and counseled Mr. Knighton. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Knighton, your attorney, Ms. Provo, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir.
Has she provided fully effective and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Knighton, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given.
Yes,
And
sir.
I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court for 6 days county jail with credit for time served of 6 days and ask that the court costs in this matter be taxed and retired. The state agrees to dismiss the companion case under cause number 25 CCCR 1638. And we ask the court that this sentence in this case run concurrent with the MTRP sentence on cause number 24 CCCR 0320.
Okay, Mr. Knight, the state is offering that you serve 6 days in the Jefferson County Jail. You will be given credit for the 6 days that you have already served. Therefore, you'll be given credit for time served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that you will not be required to pay the court costs because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. And this case will be running concurrent with cause number 24 CCCR 0320, and the state will be dismissing cause number 25 CCCR 1638. Ms. Knight, do you understand what you've been, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Knighton, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Knighton, I'll move on to your next case, Your next case is cause number 24-CCCR-0320. And in this case, I have before me a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. In this motion, it alleges that you, Damian Richard Knighton, was tried in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, on August 14 of 2024 for the Class A misdemeanor offense of theft of mail. The court found that the evidence was sufficient beyond a reasonable doubt to support a finding of guilt. However, the court suspended the court suspended finding you guilty, and the court placed you on unadjudicated probation or deferred probation for a period of 1 year. In this motion, it alleges there are 7 allegations. State, you abandoning allegation 1, 2, 3, and 7?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Knight, the state is abandoning allegation 1, 2, 3, and 7. And that simply means that they will only be proceeding on allegations 4, 5, and 6. Mr. Knight, allegation number 4 alleges that you, Damian Richard Knighton, committed the offense of criminal trespass on or about the 6th day of April 2025, Jefferson County, Texas, in violation of condition 1 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
True.
Allegation number 5 alleges that you, Damian Richard Knighton, failed to remain in the following location, Jefferson County, Texas, as ordered by the court by being in Orange County on or about the 3rd day of July 2025 without the permission of the Jefferson County Probation Department in violation of condition 8 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
Yes, sir.
You have to say true or not true.
Oh, no, I mean true.
True, okay. Allegation number 6 alleges that you, Damian Richard Knighton, failed to pay court assessed fees as ordered by the court. And as of July 24, 2025, you used $700 in arrears in violation of condition 9 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
True.
Mr. Knighton, are you pleading true to allegation 4, 5, and 6 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading true because they are true? Mr. Knighton, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1. Mr. Knighton, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials, DK, on the line next to a box that's checked MTRP, which means motion to revoke probation true to allegations 4, 5, and 6. You place your initials on this document.
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document, on the next page of the same document, is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there's one box that's checked. The box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal.
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Knighton, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
Did you read and understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes, sir.
to the best of your knowledge?
Sir.
State offer State's Exhibit 1, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No.
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Ms. Provo, you've advised in counsel, Mr. Knighton, in this case, is there any evidence that he's currently mentally incompetent to stand trial? And Mr. Knighton, your attorney, Ms. Provo, has advised in counsel, are you satisfied with the representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Knighton, I will accept your plea of true to allegations 4, 5, and 6. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that the evidence is sufficient to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Your unadjudicated probation is hereby revoked. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
And what's the agreement?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court for 30 days county jail with credit for time served of 8 days. And this sentence, we'd ask this sentence to run concurrent with the one from 25 CCCR 1368. And again, the state agrees to dismiss cause number 25 CCCR 1638.
Okay, Mr. Knight, the state is offering that you serve 30 days in Jefferson County Jail. You will be given credit for the 8 days that you have already served. The court cost in this case is
His original court was $277.
$277. Mr. Knight, are you able to pay the $277 court cost?
Yes, sir.
You are? Okay. Mr. Knighton, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Knighton, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Knighton, you're going to stand at the end of that table. Oh, and Mr. Knighton, your other case, cause number 25 CCCR 1638 will be dismissed.
Yes.
And I've already signed that dismissal. Okay. So Mr. Knight, you're gonna stand at the end of that table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following her directions, you can follow the bailiff and you have a blessed day. And Ms. Provo, again, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. And Mr. Hilton, you're free to go as well. You have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
Okay, and this will conclude the calling of the court's motion of the court's jail review docket on today's date of August 7th, 2025, County Court at Law Number 2. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Everyone